Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story occurred on April 16th of 2021, when Deputy Smith of the Dorchester County Sheriff's Office was called to respond to a suspicious person in the roadway. The callers claimed that they have had previous encounters with a nearby resident, Jamel Floyd, and that today he was putting papers in their yard, but that Floyd didn't really bug them today. They claim that Floyd had mental issues, to which the officer responded by agreeing, saying he had dealt with Floyd several times before. Floyd denied putting the papers in the yard and claims that the neighbors are the ones that start the fights with him whenever he walks by. The deputy seems graceful and offers Floyd a ride home, but Floyd refuses because he doesn't want to have to address why he's being dropped off by the cops.
I don't want them seeing me because my mom doesn't like the police around.
Everybody doesn't like us, I get that. I'm used to that by now. And if you know your mom doesn't like us, then why do you keep putting yourself in situations that you're going to get police called on you? Because if you would have never had your friend do this or even wrote this or anything like that and just kept it to yourself.
Yeah, I'm tired of them messing with me. That was the whole point.
Then you call us and we deal with it.
Y'all don't never do anything. Y'all believe everything they say, and it's not true.
Let's come on, man. I'm not trying to do anything. I'm just going to take you up to your house.
I don't want you to, because then if my mom see the police, then she's going to ask me why they're here, and I don't feel like explaining that whole thing to her. I can walk myself home. I'm 19 years old. I've done this planet long enough to know that I can walk home by myself.
Alright, well then, here. Take your song back.
I don't want it.
It's yours. Take it. Take it going.
You know that y'all know help.
We're no help, but you're over here in a neighborhood that's not yours.
I never said it was. Did I? No, I didn't.
You're not even supposed to be in here.
I can do
There's no soliciting in here. You're not allowed to be in here. You're not walking through. Obviously not if you're over here causing disturbance. No, it's because you think you're above everything. That's the problem. So get going. How about I arrest you right now? How about that? Because now you want to be... Is that how this is going to go? Is that how this is going to go? You got 3 seconds to start walking towards that sidewalk or I'm going to arrest you. 1, 2. Alright, well. Turn around behind your bike. You're under arrest. Turn around.
Don't touch me. Oh! I don't... Okay, stop.
No!
I'll stop. I promise I'll stop.
You gonna keep acting like this?
I'll stop.
You gonna keep acting like this?
I'll stop.
Because I'm done with you.
Okay.
How many times do we gotta tell you?
Okay, I'm sorry.
You wanna act like a man harassing these people?
I wasn't harassing.
I put you on trespass from almost all these fucking properties over here. You wanna come in this roadway and start cussing and everything?
I'm tired of people messing with me. I had a hard day, and I'm
well, then I'm not even doing anything for you. I tried giving you a ride home, and you want to sit here and act like this.
Don't put your hands on me again.
Now get up and get going. I'm not going.
The line that appears to set the deputy off was when Floyd says, "You think you're above everything, that's the problem." Although he wasn't arrested, it's bad enough that the deputy felt it was within the scope of his authority to body slam a much smaller man because he didn't like how he was being spoken to. Deputy Smith clearly lacks the temperament for the job. The State Law Enforcement Division opened an investigation into Deputy Smith's use of force. The investigation concluded back in October, but they won't elaborate on the investigation's findings or its outcome. And Deputy Smith remains on active duty. Perhaps the most disturbing thing is the comment sections on these videos. Things like, "Love this cop," "Everything we could ask for in law enforcement," "Officer of the Year," and claims that we need more officers like this and that he did the right thing, saving tax dollars. The ironic part is that this incident is the basis for an excessive force lawsuit against Deputy Smith and Sheriff Knight. The lawsuit alleges 4th and 14th Amendment rights violations, gross negligence and recklessness, false imprisonment, intentional infliction of emotional distress, and defamation. Even if Floyd loses the lawsuit, it will cost the taxpayers tens of thousands of dollars to defend, but this will probably settle before trial, because most people understand that sticks and stones may break my bones, but words are at the core of the First Amendment, and no one should be subjected to state-sanctioned violence for words. But that's where we're at today in this country. As long as the violence is against them, them for their words, it's commendable. But someday, the basis in which the initiation of force is deemed acceptable will change, and you will be on the receiving end as long as we view situations like this in a practical way rather than pragmatic. If Floyd is guilty of spreading papers on somebody's lawn, anyone will agree that he is a nuisance, but it sure doesn't deserve this type of treatment. As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content. And remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, Lackluster Limited for criminal psychology content, and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below.